Hello, I'm Andrew Tutt. I'm the Executive Chair for the IMPAKT meeting in 2013, and we're very excited to be able to tell you a little of our plans for that meeting.
My name is Peter Dubsky. I'm a surgical oncologist from Vienna, and I'm the Scientific Chair of the IMPAKT meeting. Now, one of the reasons why we both think working in breast cancer is simply fantastic is because we get to translate cancer biology right into the lives of our patients.
And it's really important that people are not working in isolation, that we have the interaction between scientists interested in breast cancer and people who meet women and treat breast cancer, whether they be pathologists, whether they be surgeons, oncologists or imaging specialists.
So I think one of the things that IMPAKT can do for you is that not only do you have the fascination of learning about cancer, of learning about the intricate biologies of cancer, but actually thinking about how does this change the life of my patient once I get back home to my clinic or once I get back home to my laboratory.
So one of the things that have been revealed at this year's IMPAKT has been great excitement in understanding all of the complexity and the heterogeneity within breast cancer, that it is many diseases and that is very challenging. But I think what we will do over the coming year and in next year's IMPAKT is try to resolve how we work with that heterogeneity back into the clinic and in our clinical trials mechanisms, and how we really study that in terms of biopsying and understanding the disease in the clinic. And Peter, you're going to be leading a task force around that area.
So I think this entire discussion about the spatial heterogeneity of breast cancer, all the data that we had from next generation sequencing, in many cases has also caused a lot of, let's say, just discussion. So how can we use this sort of to actually improve the clinics? And one task force that we are going to be leading, and that is hopefully going to lead to a consensus within the IMPAKT meeting, is going to be the question, should we be biopsying metastasis? I think this is a question that we face in the clinic quite a bit. There are at least 2 very good prospective trials that are out and published now. There are several retrospective data sets that we are pulling together. And right at this moment, we are in the process of putting really good people together to form a task force that will actually entertain this entire thought. How do I do the biopsy? When should I be doing the biopsy? Should I be doing it at all?
Should I be doing several biopsies? And should this be happening in the clinical trials space as well? So how do we make sure that we take this information through into the design of new treatments as well as implementing the best treatments we currently have?
So I think the all-over goal that we are setting for ourselves as chair for this meeting is it's not just about cancer biology and science. It's really directing the science to unmet medical need.
So please watch this space. IMPAKT 2013 is going to be an exciting conference that puts the different disciplines together and makes a difference in the clinic and in your clinical practice or in your laboratory program. Watch what we're doing and we promise you an exciting time.
Yeah, it's going to be a really fun and exciting conference.